Squad.
White Squad. This time it's just me rapping by myself. Not because the group didn't break up or
We didn't
anything.
break up. We're not the Backstreet Boys.
Nah.
We don't do that.
We just want to do our own thing, see how it is.
But I am featured in the song with ad-lib, you know.
Yes, he does that.
I do that. I do that.
I'm gonna do Miss Me freestyle.
I said do. I said do that.
But that's a new slang.
That is. That's an ankle biter. If there was a dog, he would bite my. But on a more serious note, this is music.
Miss Me.
We take our music serious.
I didn't do the whole song because that's
Johnny's house, where we make music.
Yeah,
That's you.
because Mark doesn't have a house.
I am poor. But just playing. Let's do this. So start that beat.
Remember your line. It's very. It makes the whole song.
Oh, I know. I am kind of like that. Just I get life.
Okay. Johnny boy up on these beat. Hi haters, did you miss me? In love with success, like the success came and kissed me. Spitting lyrics that no one has ever heard before. And I'm eating these rappers like I was a freaking carnivore. Like I'm a dinosaur. But let me rhyme some more. You rappers bore me, so excuse me if I start to snore. I bet I bust, no, I guarantee it. The enemy is caged up, now I gotta go free it.
But John, you got him right.
Yeah, I got 'em, Mark. These haters are the official. I guess that means that I'm the shark. In the fast, we the best. No competition. My squad stay ballin'. Can you hear the net swishing? We a dream team, like the Miami Heat. And our flows be staying hot. Something like Miami beats. Best you ever had. This is the best you ever heard. And you know I'm staying fly like my relatives were the birds. Feeling sick, I think I got that rhyme flu. Know that I'm the best, there is the need to go remind you. New Flight Squad, only thing that I trust. And these rappers getting old, time to go shake off the rust. Never lying in my raps, cause I'ma stay real. My squad repping me, so rep my squad, you know I will. Trey Songz flow, bet your neighbors know my name. And when I'm done with your girl, I bet she'll never be the same. I'm sleeping with success, and I'm flirting with the fame. My beast is coming out, and I don't think it can be tame. I'ma flow, watch me flow until I'm in my grave, and I'm never scared. I'ma stay Buffalo, brave, kill the tracks, yes I kill 'em, I'ma kill 'em dead. And when I leave the booth, all you see is bright red. So I'm something like Red Dead Revolver, and I get better, so I guess I'm an evolver. So it's my Miss Me freestyle. How you like that?
I like it, man.
Your support means a lot to me.